I'm never in front of the camera. This is super awkward for me. Now I know what everyone else feels like. It's not cool to be on camera. I'm bored. Not bored. I'm on vacation, which is awesome. And I'm resting, and it's great. I haven't shot anything in like 2 weeks. I'm having withdrawals. I miss editing and using my camera and all that stuff. So I'm going to go on an adventure today. And I'm going to go see Tunnel 13. And I'm going to try to film it and record it in some sort of creative way. And bring you along with me, so let's go. That's my jam. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything in your heart. It don't matter to leave me, doesn't tear you apart anymore. Alright, we have arrived. So, for those of you who don't know, Tunnel 13 is just outside of Ashland. You head up like you're going to Mount Ashland. I think you take exit 6. Right as you get to the first stop sign, there's a little pull out. And it's just about 100 yards up the trail. It's an old train tunnel. I guess back in the 1920s, I believe, where the last great train robbery took place. These three brothers decided that they were going to rob the train, and they thought it would be easy, but apparently it was not. So supposedly there was $500,000 on board, and so they blew up the mail car, killed a few other people trying to find money, and the story goes that there was no money, so they escaped. And I think it was about 3 or 4 years later, one of them was found, I don't know, Asia somewhere, serving in the army over there in like Taiwan or something. And then the other two brothers were caught, and they were all sentenced to life in prison where they passed away. So some people say Tunnel 13 is haunted. I've been here a few times and have not experienced that. So anyways, I'll show you guys the tunnel today, and we'll see how it goes. These crazy old abandoned buildings that are a little bit creepy. Some of our local artists have been out. It's a little creepy out here. I've been out here a few times, but I'm not afraid to say this is the first time alone. And can give you the heebie-jeebies for sure. I don't know what these buildings used to be. I don't know if it was a railroad stop or something, but yeah. I don't know why I'm a little creeped out for some reason. I think there's pigeons in the ceiling, and they keep making noises that freak me out, man. I can hear them cooing up there. Cool. Here's the pigeons. Lots of local artists come out, apparently, to visit. Stupid pigeon. Yes, I scream like a girl, okay? It happens. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. Who would have thought? Such deep words on graffiti out in the middle of nowhere. Creepy. Anyone need to use the pooper? I don't. I didn't know this, but trains still run through that tunnel. I'm a little thankful I wasn't in there. I was just getting ready to head in and I heard something. I was like, that sounds like a train. So if you ever come up here, watch out for trains. I'm a little on edge after almost being attacked by a pigeon. And the fact that I was about ready to head into the tunnel and a train just came through. So I'm not at my most courageous moment. I don't know why pigeons scared me. Maybe it's time to take a walk on the wild side through the old Tunnel 13. I think it's like over a half mile long. I don't have the fastest legs, so if another train comes through, I'm definitely gonna have to think skinny thoughts and just push myself up against the wall and hope that there's clearance. And I've lost a little weight lately, so maybe I'll be alright. But you can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but it's a little deceiving. It's further than it looks. Definitely drop like, you can almost see my breath. It's like 15-20 degrees drop in here. Super cold. Creepy. What up, dude? Wait, I think he's giving me the bird. Not cool, man. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is super echo. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Danny is awesome. That is just a bit unnerving. You survived. I was gonna get some really cool drone shots of the valley and the train tracks and all that stuff out here. I thought this would be a good spot. This guy, who's a dummy, forgot his phone in the car. You can't fly the drone without the phone. The drone sends a video feed to your phone so you can see where you're flying. It's somewhat important when flying the drone to see where you're going, and it won't let you take off without it. So that sucks. But I guess I'll hike back, get the phone, and then think about hiking up here again. Oh crap. I don't want to go in the tunnel again. I get claustrophobic. Surprisingly claustrophobic. So eerily quiet, and I'm all alone. I should not have come out here by myself. I don't like to be alone. I'm pretty sure I just heard something behind me. But I'm going to choose to ignore it, because if you ignore it, that means it's not real and it's not there. That's what I believe. That'll preach. That one. 13. It's like 45 minutes to get out here maybe. And it's a fun little trip. Things we learned. Don't come out here by yourself. Now, bring a friend if you are going to come. 2, it's I think it's private property, so do so at your own risk. And 3, watch out for those pigeons. They're scary. Didn't get as much drone footage as I was hoping because there's a lot of magnetic interference up here. Those, which all of that interferes with the compass signal of my drone. And I can fly it with no compass, but I'm not that skilled yet, so oh well. Anyways, fun adventure. I'm gonna head down the hill now and go home.